Hello dear students, welcome to social science class, chapter number 3, rotation and revolution for class 5th, part 2. See students, in this chapter we are learning some objects, means objectives, topics. So first one is the movements of the earth. So next topic, what causes day and night. So next topic, what causes seasons. So these all concepts we are learning chapter number 3, rotation and revolution. See students, have you are wondered how day and night causes are they? How day and night causes? How day and night happens? And why the climatic conditions are changing? Why climatic conditions are changing? Why polar regions are very cold? And why equatorial regions are very hot? See students, we have completed in previous chapter latitude and longitudes. And today we are learning rotation and revolution. In this chapter, we are learning about these all questions. How occurs the day and night, how polar regions are cold, and how equatorial regions are hot, and how the weather conditions changing. These all questions we are learning chapter number 3, rotation and revolution. See student, so first let us start rotation. We know student, the earth's movement. The earth moves in two ways. One is rotation, another one is revolution. So first one, rotation. See a student, rotation refers to as the earth rotates on its axis. The earth rotates on its axis. It is a rotation. See student, it is the rotation. How it rotates that? It is the earth. This earth is moving. This earth is rotating on its axis. The earth is orbiting on its axis. Is known as rotation. Okay? And see here, is known as rotation. And what is revolution? What is revolution? Revolution refers to as the earth orbiting around the sun is called as revolution. Is called as revolution. See student, it is sun. See here, it is the earth. The earth rotates around the sun. Otherwise, the earth orbiting around the sun is known as revolution. Okay? So one by one I am explaining about this all. Rotation. So first I talk about I am talking about here rotation. We know, student, by example, spinning top. The example, spinning top. When we have seen that spinning top, that like the earth rotates on its axis. The earth rotates on its axis. See a student, when it's completing one orbit, when it's completing one circle, rotation means the earth rotates on its axis. When completing on its axis, okay, so it is means here it has taken time 24 hours. It has taken time here how many hours? 24 hours. Here occurs day and night. In 24 hours occurs here day and night. So, when completing one rotation, it has taken the time 24 hours. Okay. And next you see a student, rotation of the earth. See a student, rotation of the earth. It is earth, the line passes, this line is north pole and south pole, it is the equator, and next you see here Tropic of Cancer. See here, Tropic of Cancer, and it is Tropic of Capricorn. And Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree, and here makes one angle here. See here. Okay. It is the axis of the earth. This diagram is axis of the earth. This imaginary line passes through the center of the earth. This imaginary line passes through the center of the earth. So, it is from north pole to south pole. It passes north pole to south pole. Okay, student? And see here, so it is tilt the angle. It is tilt the angle 23.5 degree. Tilt the angle 23.5 degree from the plane center of the earth. It is the plane center of the earth. Okay. And see here, it takes 24 hours. It has taken the time here 24 hours. The earth to complete one single rotation. See here, it takes the time 24 hours. The earth completing one rotation. Okay. And it is around its axis. The earth completing one rotation around its axis. So, here completed students part 2. Once again I repeating what you have learnt in today's class. You have learnt today's class what is rotation and what is revolution. This rotation and revolution, the earth's two ways. The earth's two ways. Rotation means what? The earth movement on its axis. The earth's orbit means the earth's movement on its axis is known as rotation, and revolution means the earth around the orbit around the sun is known as revolution. and also you have learnt in today's class rotation of the earth. So I given one example, spinning top. Spinning top is an example of earth. How it's moving on its axis, that like the earth is also moving on its axis. And it is earth's tilt. Okay. So it is the axis of the earth. The imaginary lines passes through the center of the earth. It is north pole and south pole. And it tilt the angle here 23.5 degree plane center of the earth. And it takes the time 24 hours. In 24 hours, it has completing one round. The earth's one round. It is known as rotation. It is known as what? Rotation. In 24 hours, we have seen here day and night. Here occurs day and night. Okay, student. Here completed part 2, and next part I am continuing in next period. Thank you.